Hey guys, my name is Damien Black. Welcome back to my channel here on YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to make money on TikTok with affiliate marketing. Now this method is risk-free and you can get started today without any investments upfront. It has a very undersaturated market. This business model is long-term and I put out 3 easy and simple steps to follow below, so make sure to watch this video till the very end so you don't miss out on any important information. Now before I get started with step number 1, make sure to subscribe and hit that like button to support this channel for future content like this. So without further ado, let's reveal step number 1. So guys, step number 1 with TikTok and affiliate marketing is to pick a niche. So this can be a health niche, so workout, fitness, lose weight, alright, something like that. Or you can choose the make money online niche, the wealth niche. That's the niche I'm using because my content is all about how to make money online. And in this video, I'm also going to be showing you exactly what I'm promoting, the exact product and how I'm promoting it. Alright guys, so if you're new to affiliate marketing, you're basically promoting other people's products and they give you a commission for every single sale. So you can go to clickbank.com. This is a free website that you can sign up to, and once you have an account, you can go to dashboard, click on the marketplace button right up here, and here you have a list of niches. Alright, so for example, for this video, I'm going to use the health niche. Alright, so and you can rank by gravity, so these are the most popular products. And for example, this is a flat belly tonic, some kind of a product that shows you how to lose weight, so diets and weight loss. The average conversion is $136 and that's pretty good. So for every sale you're going to be making about $136. so this is exactly what I'm talking about. You're going to be promoting products like this. Alright, so as I promised in step number 1, I'm going to show you exactly what product I'm promoting, and it's called Legendary Marketer. So this is a product that teaches, this is an online course that teaches people, that teaches newbies how to start making money with affiliate marketing and start earning high ticket commissions. So since my YouTube channel is all about make money online, my TikTok is all about make money online, I promote this product. I make low ticket commissions, I make high ticket commissions. This is a perfect product for my niche. So yeah, so you can either go to clickbank.com and choose a product there, or you can go to a private company like Legendary Marketer and sign up to be an affiliate there. So step number 2 is to create a landing page. Now a landing page is a website where you're going to collect the email of your visitor, or you're going to simply redirect them to the affiliate offer. So this is a bridge page between your traffic source, so basically TikTok, and the affiliate offer. So let me show you guys what my landing page looks like with promoting Legendary Marketer. So let's just go to steps. Alright, so this is my ClickFunnels back office. You can use ClickFunnels or you can use a free landing page builder like Wix, but I recommend using ClickFunnels. This is probably the best funnel building software on the internet. It's a bit expensive, $100 every single month, but I run my entire business with ClickFunnels. So this is my funnel that I use to promote Legendary Marketer, and this is what the landing page looks like. So this is a simple website that tells them a bit more about what I'm promoting. So discover how anyone can start an online business. Have you ever wanted to start a super profitable business online but just don't know where or even how to get started, blah blah blah. So this is a bit more about myself and what's inside the exact framework to create a 6-figure affiliate marketing business in your spare time. So once they click start now, they're going to enter their email address, their name, and they're going to click get exclusive access. Alright, so this is where I collect their email address. So then they're going to continue to the thank you page, and there you're going to see my Legendary Marketer offer. So it's a simple landing page that collects the email address and sends them to the affiliate offer. Now, a landing page is crucial for any business online because without a landing page, you're not going to make any money, any sales with affiliate marketing, because you need to build a relationship with your traffic with your visitors. All right, so that's why you need a landing page. So step number 3 is to get as much traffic, or so-called website visitors, eyeballs, to your offer as possible. Simply said, more traffic to your offer equals more money to be made. So since if you already have a niche, right? Let's just say you picked the health niche. You have a product that you chose on ClickBank. Okay, you chose a product, you chose a niche, and you made a simple landing page around that product, just like I showed you earlier, just like my one. Now all you need to do is send as much traffic to your landing page as possible. Now we're going to be using Instagram and TikTok, and let me just explain a bit more. So let me reveal these for you guys. So we're going to be reposting videos from Instagram, and we're going to be posting them on TikTok. And no guys, you don't have to worry about copyright. If you tag the original content creator from Instagram on your TikTok video, then no, you don't have to worry about copyright. So you can head over to downloadgram.com. This is a free website. You basically enter the URL of the Instagram video and you can simply download it. So since we're in the health niche for this video, all you need to do is go to Instagram and search for a hashtag that's related to our niche. So for example, hashtag fitness or hashtag workouts. Now, once it searches, you can see a bunch of workout videos that you can freely use on your TikTok account. So for example, you can use this one. Okay, so this is an image, but this is a workout video. You can download this exact video. All right, get the link, share to or copy link. Okay, download it, paste it there, download it on your smartphone, add it to your gallery, to your photo gallery, and then all you need to do is go to TikTok, create a free account, and start posting the videos on your new account, just like this person is doing. Lisa0594. She is simply reposting videos from Instagram, and look at this, guys, she's promoting an Amazon offer. So guys, this is 100% free to do. All you have to do is pick a niche, create a landing page, and start reposting these types of videos to your TikTok account. Now guys, consistency is key. Make sure to post about 1 to 3 videos on TikTok every single day, and I promise that you're gonna see sales in your back office. Now, another thing you can do is make videos yourself. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. And you can see, guys, that my TikTok is Damien Black. I have about 4,000 followers. I post videos every single day. I get about 1,800, 1,000 videos here, 1,000 views here. Excuse me. I post every single day, and this is where I promote my affiliate offer. And this is my landing page that I showed you earlier. So this is not no fake scammy type of business. I actually do this every single day. So this is not a video to show you guys how to make money online, but I actually do this. All right, a bunch of YouTubers out there show you how to make money online, but on the other end, they're doing actually something else. All right, so this is a video for you guys to see that I actually do what I'm teaching. So yeah, you can see that I'm promoting my legendary marketer offer on my TikTok account myself. And look at this, I posted this video yesterday. So I do this every single day consistently. And yes, it does work. This is the idea behind this business model. It works 100%, but you need to stay consistent. So guys, you can absolutely make a bunch of money with TikTok and affiliate marketing by simply reposting content from Instagram. Or you can do it like I'm doing. You can show your face and you can copy other creators in your niche. I'm basically copying bigger TikTokers that are in my niche. I'm modeling the content after theirs. Now, what you can do also is download copyright-free images from Pixabay, edit them together, and add text or voiceover with background music. So you can go to pixabay.com. All right, pixabay.com, start downloading images, put them together, 5 images in one single video, add text or a voiceover, and add background music, and yeah, you can post that video on TikTok as well. But if you're lazy like I am, then you can simply repost videos from Instagram. This is by far the easiest and simplest way to grow on TikTok. TikTok is very, very popular right now. A brand new account that just opened their account, you can blow up, guys. You can get 100,000 followers very easily on TikTok. So yeah, guys, this works 100%. And if you found value in this video, make sure to click the first link below this video and basically check out Legendary Marketer. They have an awesome 15-day challenge for just $7. So if you're interested in starting a business online from home and want to learn all of this in detail, then make sure to hit that first link below this video and check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future videos. Hit that like button to support this channel, and I'll see you in the next one.